I've made a heart. It's not a typical heart. I've used an iron base that I've glued it, and after it covered it with wax. I've used a heart shape of oasis, and I've put some gypsum strings because I wanted to have here a little bit much thinner superficie. And here I put also some cactuses. We have also some candles. And in this design, I use the white lisianthus from Looked. And if you are turning it, and also the mini Cymbidium from See More Flavor. In this one, from the cactus, I cut all the spikes, and then I glue them. And it helped me a lot because I glued them with hot glue, because yet I had also the wax, and it was much easier. I think it will have also a very beautiful effect also in the evening. Yeah, I was thinking that sometimes the purest thing can look dangerous, but maybe they aren't. So it has also the feeling of softness, but also the spiking of cactus and the drama from the wax, and I think it is okay.